No matter how beautiful, there's no such thing as a flawless face. To fix what isn't perfect, Good Housekeeping says the key cosmetic is the concealer.
Well, concealer is great for anyone with a few visible spots or dark circles under their eyes, but the trick is to applying it just where you need it so it blends well with your skin.
How do you find the right shade? Good Housekeeping picked the Magic Cube Concealer in green.
Concealer should be one shade lighter than your complexion, and to cover up redness, you should use mint green.
For ordinary wrinkles and fine lines, a moisturizing concealer like Revlon Age-Defying Concealer with BOTAFIRM is recommended by Good Housekeeping.
A moisturizing concealer actually hydrates the skin to help smooth out wrinkles, and this particular one has a patented ingredient that will help with fine lines as well.
If you wake up mornings with dark circles and puffiness around the eyes, Good Housekeeping likes Maybelline New York's Instant Age Rewind Under Eye Concealer.
To apply concealer under the eye, you should gently pat the area. If you drag it, it will make your skin sag more.
And if your complaint is dark shadows, Good Housekeeping suggests CoverGirl Fresh Complexion Concealer for all-over coverage. Cosmetics that help you put your best face forward. I'm Edie Magnus for Good Housekeeping Reports.